Oh man, come on, brighten up. You can do better than that. Come on, a little more. Come on. I'll live with it. No, sorry about the crappy video quality, guys, but I'm a ham radio operator and a retiree, which means I'm a professional lawn maintenance technician now. Man, I'm about at wit's end with the POTA system. The POTA program in general, because let me toss out a thought. Consider this, folks. You know how you can tell when a fun program, a fun activity is turning into an over the top, planetary 24/7, 365 contest from hell? When all the signal reports become 599 and you are 5'9" in Michigan, old man, even though I can barely hear you buried in the noise on a quiet band. Truly, your signal report, man, I mean, it was a 1x1 or a 119. And what's up with the 9? I am a CW lover, but it's not 1937 anymore. We generally don't transmit signals with a raspy CW note because of failing filter caps in our power supplies. And we don't chirp too much anymore because the days of using a crystal controlled two-stage transmitter, a MOPA design, master oscillator power amplifier. You know, I mean, let's dispense with the third number on CW signal reports. That's what I'm calling for. Oh, I'm glad I've chuckled myself into a good mood. Let's look at these human generated CWQRP, New River Drive. Yeah, okay. Readable in Tennessee. I find that very useful. Simple, useful, to the point, right? Whoops, he's over here now. I'd like to show you some screenshots I've done. Come on. I about had enough this morning, man. You can see this spot here and this spot here are mine. Let's zoom you in on one of them. What prompted me to do this spot was that I gave a fun and accurate and appreciative spot to an operator who was way down in the list. And I was expecting the RBN system to attack. You know how long it took before my spot was replaced? 1 second. My spot lasted 1 second. And it wasn't this spot that you're reading here. I couldn't believe it. I spotted him again immediately over top of the RBN spot and sat waiting. It took 3 seconds. Thus, this spot on this activator and 3 or 4 other activators. Same spot. Rapid fire right in a row. Spot, 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 spot. There you go, POTA.app. You know what I mean? I won't be on the system long because I'm going to keep this up. You know what, man? I fight. I don't give up. I don't bend over. Blowzo doesn't bend over. No, Blowzo doesn't bend over at all. Blowzo fights. Hang on, man. And so what happens after I did those spots? Boom. Immediately. And this was my final spot for the day. You know? Hey, Poter. Hey, Poter. Yeah, let's do this. See, that's why I don't try to Zoom without pausing you. Coders and programmers of POTA.app. My son Kyle could outcode you when he was in the 6th grade. You guys are idiots. You think not? In the 6th grade, Kyle wrote a side-scrolling game equal to Mario Brothers. Whatever, Mario. Not as immersive, but it was funner to play. Better gameplay. What's your excuse, POTA.app coders? Now, I clown on your coding skills, and we all know it's not bad. You have your priority. For whatever reason, you're all in on the RBN system and all out on the human element in the POTA program. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm getting pissed off. Now I'm getting pissed off. If I'm not mistaken, the program was created for human fun activity, not machine fun activity, not machine to machine. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Stop. Programmers and coders of POTA.app, just stop. May I ask you something? What the hell is wrong with you? Must you destroy everything fun that comes along in ham radio? Must you tie, and not just the coders of POTA.app now, must those out there creating ham radio's new and exciting and fun technologies and activities, must you tie everything with handcuffs to the goddamned internet? I'm waiting. I want an answer. Why must you tie everything to the goddamned internet? I have a question for you. Does that embarrass you? Does that make you lower your head in shame? That some people love radio? That some people use real radios with no connection to the internet because it's magic to them? That's magic. In that box is unbounded magic. In that box is an attempt to enslave humanity. And with the help of humanity, that box is winning. '73.